2015 Honda Accord sedan. We're going to take the rear door panel and the front door panel. It's really just one screw. You're going to start by popping off the window control panel. Got a clip right here. Just push it down, remove it, and then you got one screw right there. Just a Phillips head bit. Take that out. And then you can start down at the very bottom, get you a little panel tool, shove it in the bottom, and then pop off. Don't even have to take the door handle off. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do the front run real quick. Same thing, except you gotta take a couple more things off. I'm gonna start by taking the sail panel right here off. It just pops right out. Take that out. Same thing, clip right here. Unclip it. Take this screw right here out. And then the last thing you're gonna do, let me make sure y'all can see this, is take this little clip right here out and just get some needle nose pliers and squeeze the tabs. And then push it out. And then once you did that, all you want to do is same thing like you did in the back, starting right at the front. Put your panel tool back there. And lift up. You're good to go. Some of y'all may have a light panel around here. So you just pop the light panel out and unhook it from this one. This one doesn't have it. But I say take your door panel off.